day is? Good morning, everybody. Now, please mute yourself. Okay, look at the picture now. Today is 2/7/27 of January 2021, and the day is Wednesday. What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday will come after Tuesday, right? So today is Wednesday, and the date is 27th of January 2021, right? कल सब बेबीज ने परेड देखी थी. Have you seen the parade? Republic Day की? Yeah? Yes. Okay. Now everybody, please stand up, join your hand and close your eyes for the prayer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yagavi. Everybody needs to stand up, join your hand and close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Let's start with me. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Now open your eyes. We will do thank you God prayer. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God that the birds are flying. Thank you God for everything. Thank you God. We should say thank you to God every day, right? हमें रोज सुबह रोज अर्ली मॉर्निंग we need to say thank you God for everything. Thank you God for give me a new day, right? Okay. Now everyone please stand up on the floor for the exercise. Everybody needs to stand up on the floor for the exercise. Every day we need to do little exercise, right? My all kids know very well. Every day we do exercise. Yes. Everyone, let's start with me. First of all, we will do some jumping. Right? Jump with me. One. Jump, jump. Yes. We will do some jumping. Very good. Now, straight your hands above your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make it a fist. Make a fist with your palms. Make a fist. Now you need to roll them. Roll. Yes. Now same above your head. Straight your hands. You need to straight your arms. Very good. Now open. Very good. Very good, kids. Now relax and take the support. Take the support. You do place your one leg on the another. Try to balance yourself and do a namaste above your head. This is called the Surya Namaskar pose. Very good. First of all, we need to place one leg over the another. You need to place your foot on your thighs. Try to balance first. You need to try to balance yourself first. Then after that, you have to do Namaste above your head. Right? Very good, Avrika. Very good. Now take your hands straight, bend down and touch your toes. Once again, take your hands above your head, straight.
Hello.
And bend down. Try to touch your toes. Now open your legs. Open your legs. We need to do crisscross touching. Means we need to touch the right feet with the left hand and touch your left feet with the right hand. We need to count it till 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Very good. Now, take your right hand to the left side above your head. You need to bend your waist. You need to bend your waist. Very good. Now, hand to the right side. Right hand to the left side.
Kyra, please mute.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good, everyone. Very good. Now, please relax. Now, please relax and take your place, everybody. Relax and take your place. We need to do reverse counting, right? From 20, we need to count. Back counting, right? Count with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Clapping for everyone. Everybody did a great job. Very good. Yes. Now moving on to the curriculum part. Over to you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to all my kids. Okay, quickly take out your English notebook. Today we are doing new letter, letter S. Letter S, right? So, Shruti ma'am, please share the picture of letter S.
Yes, ma'am. Sharing.
Yes, S. The phonic sound of S is sa. S, sa, sun. S, sa, spider. S, star. S is for snake. Snail, submarine. So many things start from letter S. Right? So take out your English notebook. Yes. In your English notebook, first you have to write the date on the left side. Today is 27 Jan. Right? So today we are writing letter S. Small cursive letter S. S is for sun. S is for star. So many things start from letter S. Okay. First, you have to write capital S. First, you have to write capital S. capital S is very easy. Start from the first line. Make it a curve like a C. And the opposite C. S. Star. Sun. Right? Okay. Next, you have to write small s. Small cursive writing always start from third line. Okay. Start from the third line. Go to the headline. Come back. Make it a loop. And a curve. S. I'm repeating again. Third line. Go to the headline. Come back. And a curve. S. First, you have to write capital S. Capital S is very easy. Again, start from the third line. Go to the headline. Make it a S. Make it a capital S, like a capital S. Right? Third line. Go to the headline. Small s like a capital S. Small s is very easy because small s similar to capital S. Right? This is capital S. Small s.
मैम मैम
Yes, Kaila.
मैम मुझे बनाना नहीं आता क्या?
Better you, okay, tell your mama to talk to ma'am after the class, okay?
ओके मैम.
Okay.
Very good, Anand Kumar. Very good job, Dharya. We have to start from the third line. We will go to the headline, then a small s. जैसे हम big S बनाते हैं वैसे ही बस small s बनेगा. Start from the third line, go to the headline, which is your second line, and then S. बस आपने वो लाइन लेके जानी है और सिंपल एक छोटा सा S लिख देना है. जो बेबी कैपिटल S लिख सकता है, they can easily write small s also. It's same. Very beautiful है सात्विका त्रिपाठी. थोड़ा सा उसका जो साइज है और स्मॉल कर दो, ठीक है? वो ब्लू लाइन के अंदर आना चाहिए. Very good. देखो, like this in your copy page it should come inside your middle line. Middle line के बिल्कुल अंदर एक छोटा सा s है.
Yes. First, you have to write capital S and a small cursive s.
Kaira, a bit close you can show. I'm not able to see the alphabets. Again, it's not visible, beta. Yes, it's good. Very good, Aram Kumar. Very good, Riyansh.
Yes, Aram, very good.
Ma'am, done.
Very good, Riyansh. Very
Very
good.
good work, Riyansh. Very beautiful handwriting. Yes, very good, Ravya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good boy. Very beautiful handwriting, Rakshita. Very good. Rahitya, have you completed your work? Very good. Okay, we have one or two more minutes to complete our page.
I have done, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Dharya.
I have done, ma'am.
Good work, Ira. Yes, I think everybody has completed the work now. Shall we move forward for a story? Shall we move forward for a story? Yes, you need to take out your Hindi copies. Kyra,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
mute yourself. Kyra, you need to mute yourself. Yes, everybody take out your Hindi notebook. आज हम करने जा रहे हैं फ व्यंजन की कहानी। फ, एफ की साउंड क्या होती है? एफ, फ। तो एफ की जो साउंड होती है फ व्यंजन की आज हम कहानी करेंगे। ये कहानी है एक माली की। माली का नाम था फनी। माली का नाम क्या था? फनी। और उसको हिंदी में बोलते थे फन्नू सिंह। क्या बोलते थे हिंदी में? उसका नेम था फन्नू सिंह। फ से फन्नू सिंह। ओके। वो एक बार एक गार्डन में गया। गार्डन वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल था। उसने देखा वहां पर एक फलों की टोकरी पड़ी थी। फल मीन्स फ्रूट्स। देखो फलों की टोकरी पड़ी है टेबल पे, सबको दिख रही है? टेबल पे फ से फल लगे थे। और उसने देखा गार्डन में एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल फव्वारा था। फव्वारा, मैंने तो फव्वारा देखा हुआ है। फव्वारा मीन्स फाउंटेन। देखो जिसमें से पानी स्प्रिंकल होके गिरता है, दैट इज अ फाउंटेन। फन्नू सिंह ने देखा कि गार्डन में एक फलों की टोकरी पड़ी है, फल पड़े हैं उसमें, और उसके राइट साइड पे एक ब्यूटीफुल फव्वारा है। फव्वारा। उसने देखा सामने बहुत सारे रंग बिरंगे फूल खिले हैं। देखो फूल खिले हैं। उसके हाथ में ना एक फावड़ा था। फन्नू सिंह के हैंड में एक फावड़ा था। वो पता है फावड़ा क्यों लाया था? मिट्टी खोदने के लिए। फावड़ा इज अ टूल जो गार्डनर्स यूज करते हैं मिट्टी खोदने के लिए। और उसने देखा टेबल के पास एक फरसा पड़ा था। से फरसा इज ऑल्सो अ टूल जिससे लकड़ी काटते हैं। ठीक है। नाउ मैम विल आस्क क्वेश्चन। यज्ञवी, माली का क्या नेम था? माली का क्या नेम था? सोचो। हु विल टेल द नेम ऑफ माली? आरंभ कुमार, माली का क्या नेम था?
फनी।
फनी था, और हिंदी में बोलते थे फन्नू सिंह। क्या नेम था माली का?
फन्नू सिंह।
फन्नू सिंह। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर धैर्य। धैर्य, टेबल पे क्या पड़ा था?
मीठे मीठे फल।
फल पड़े थे। फ से फल पड़े थे टेबल पे। वेरी वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर रियांश सिंह। रियांश,
यस
वहां पर
मैम।
पानी का क्या चल रहा था ब्यूटीफुल सा? फ से फव्वारा चल रहा था। पानी का फव्वारा। वेरी गुड। आद्रिका त्रिपाठी, बहुत सारे कलर के ब्यूटीफुल क्या खिले हुए थे? फूल खिले हुए थे। वेरी गुड। फन्नू सिंह के हैंड में क्या था? फन्नू सिंह के हैंड में क्या था लक्षिता?
एप्पल।
फन्नू सिंह, एप्पल तो था, वो तो फल था। दूसरे हैंड में कौन सा टूल था? देखो कौन सा टूल था? टूल का नाम क्या था? फरसा। तो टेबल पे पड़ा था। उसके हैंड में जो था वो फावड़ा था। फावड़ा इज यूज्ड टू डिग द ग्राउंड। नाउ एवरीबॉडी म्यूट। तो इस कहानी में हमने एक न्यू व्यंजन पढ़ा जिसको बोलते हैं फ। ठीक है, फ भी बोलते हैं इसको। फ से फल, फ से फव्वारा, फूल, फरसा, फावड़ा, फन्नू सिंह। ओके। अब इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी टू राइट फ। कैसे लिखते हैं? सबको प लिखना आता है? प से पपीता मैम ने सिखाया था आपको। फोर जैसा होता है जो, बस प की एक टेल निकालनी है हमने एंड इट विल बिकम फ। नाउ ओवर टू यू संगीता मैम फॉर द राइटिंग पार्ट। एवरीबॉडी टेक आउट योर हिंदी नोटबुक्स।
Yes, all my babies, take out your Hindi notebook.
प लिख के टेल बना देंगे, बहुत easy.
Yes, in your Hindi notebook, first you have to write the date on the left side. Take out your Hindi notebook. Yes. Fa is very easy. Fa is for. Fa say fun. Fa, fun. How to write fa? Fa is very easy. First, you have to write pa like a food. And one tail. Sleeping line on the top. Fa. Fun. Fa, fabara. Again I am repeating. First you have to write pa and a one tail. Fa. Fa, fun. Fa, fabra. Fa, fun. Very easy to make. Fa. Yes, very good. Fa.
Very beautiful handwriting, Adrika Tripathi, very good.
I have done, ma'am.
Very good, Dhairya. It's very easy. Very, very. प लिख के टेल बनानी है. And प कैसे लिखते हैं? We all know it's like 4 only. Very good. सब बच्चे बड़े होते जा रहे हैं, सबकी हैंडराइटिंग ब्यूटीफुल हो रही है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल हैंडराइटिंग है.
Fa, fun. Fa, fabara. Fa, fun. Yes. In your Hindi notebook, you have to write like this. First, you have to write a and a tail. Fa, favara. Fa, fun. Very easy to make.
Mama's done.
Let's show it to ma'am.
सर नीचे तक माम को ऊपर तक दिख रहा है.
Yes, very good, Riyansh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Kyra.
Good work, Kyra.
I have done, ma'am.
Yes, good, Kyra.
Ma'am, I have done, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Adrika, and very good, all my dear kids. Now nobody is saying, "Ma'am, मैंने कर लिया, ma'am मेरा हो गया." Very good, all my dear kids are saying, "Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have completed my work." Very good.
Ma'am, ma'am. इतने को मेरा हो गया।
ऐसे नहीं बोलना राहित्या। मैम आई हैव कंप्लीटेड, प्लीज सी माय वर्क। यस, वेरी गुड आरम कुमार।
मैम
Ma'am,
I
I
have
completed
please
my
see my
work.
work.
Please see my work. Very good. Yes, Adrika, very nice. Very good, Ravya. Good work, Adrika. Aram Kumar. Rahite, show me your work. Or you have to say, ma'am, please see my work. Ma'am, please see my work.
सही बात है।
Yes.
मैम आई हैव डन, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड, प्लीज सी माय वर्क।
चलो और लिखो आगे।
आगे पूरा कर लो कंप्लीट। अच्छा है।
मेरा हाथ
Okay, Adrika, please
Chalo,
mute
kariye.
now.
पट्टू।
Yes, very good. Okay, stop writing your Hindi work. Okay, Drishna, you have completed. Very beautiful in writing, Drishna. Very good. Fine. Okay, now keep your notebooks aside. एक side पे रख दो and sit properly. Everyone, keep your notebooks aside. Today we have done two new things. One is the small cursive S. The other one is a new Vyanjan fa se fal wala. Okay, very good, Shivay Sharma. Now next thing is, हमने January में traffic rules पढ़े. We read about the modes of transport. Which transport is land, which transport is water, which transport is air, and which transport is our rail transport. 4 types of transport we have done, and also we had learned about our country. Our country हमने पढ़ी थी. India is a beautiful country. National language of India is Hindi. Now छोटी सी एक revision worksheet है related to your modes of transport that we will do today. Okay, yes, over to you, Shruti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, now kids, we will match the vehicle with their transport. कि ये कौन सा transport है, right? I'll ask question one by one. You need to unmute and then answer, right? Okay. First of all, I will ask from Advika. Advika, tell me the first picture.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Tell
this?
me the first picture.
Boat.
No.
Ship, right? And which kind of transport it is? It's a kind of water transport.
Water.
Yes, water transport. Okay, now very good. Now Yagavi, unmute yourself and tell me the second picture. Yagavi?
Here, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
it's a helicopter. It's a helicopter, and we will match it with which kind of transport it is? Air. Very good. So we will match it with air. Now the last one is for Shivay Sharma. Shivay Sharma, please unmute and tell me the last vehicle.
Car.
Car. And which kind of transport it is?
Road.
Road transport. So we will match it with road transport. So my all babies knows कि कौन सा transport, कौन सी picture जो है कौन से transport से match करती है. Now the next one is for Aram Kumar. Aram Kumar, tell me the first picture.
Rocket.
Yes, and rocket हमें कहाँ पे कौन सा transport है? We will match it with the space. Right? Yes. Now the next one is for Anika. Anika Tiwari, please unmute. Tell me the next picture. Anika Tiwari, are you there? Okay, now Drishna.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. And we will match it with the air transport. Right? Okay, the next one is for Dharya. Dharya, tell me the next picture.
Boat.
Yeah.
Boat.
Yeah.
And we will match it with which transport it is?
Boat.
Water transport.
Water.
Very good. Okay, the next picture is for Lakshita. Lakshita, tell me the next picture.
ये पूछिए मैम. What is this?
The second
मैम को
last.
बताओ ना. बताओ ना
The
मैम को
second
क्या है
last
ये?
picture. Which picture is
ये नहीं
this?
पता क्या है ये रेड वाला.
car.
Yes, car. And we will match it with which kind of transport it is?
बताओ मैम को.
Road transport. Yes, yes, road transport. So we will match it with the road transport. The last one, who will tell me the last one? Rahitya. Submarine. And we will match it with the water transport. Right? So, मेरे सभी को पता है which transport is related to which vehicle, right? Very good, all of you. Very well done. Now it's time for the goodbye song. Stand up and say goodbye to your friends. And ma'am? Yes, Kyra.
मैं आता नहीं आया.
Okay, I will take your turn tomorrow.